Alright, let's be honest. How many times have you been stuck watching tech videos at 3 a.m., convincing yourself you need that new gadget? Don't worry, you're not alone. But with so many tech YouTubers out there, who's actually worth your time? Stick around, because today, we're breaking down the top 5 tech YouTube channels that will not only keep you entertained, but might just make you spend all your money. Imagine opening a box and finding the craziest, weirdest, or most expensive gadgets you've ever seen. Unbox Therapy, run by Louis George Hilsenteger, is like Christmas morning every day. From futuristic phones to over-the-top tech setups, his unboxings will have you dreaming about gadgets you didn't even know existed. Ever wanted to see a gaming PC built in a fridge? Or a laptop literally sliced in half? Well, Linus Tech Tips is where crazy meets genius. Linus and his team go deep into tech, breaking down the best and worst gadgets while making you laugh along the way. If Tech Reviews had a Hollywood blockbuster, MKBHD would be the director. Marks Brownlee's channel is all about crystal clear visuals, in-depth analysis, and brutally honest reviews. If a company is hiding something about their latest gadget, Mark A will expose it. Meet Aaron Maney, the man who can make any tech video feel like a thriller movie. His super engaging storytelling, insane comparisons, and tech deep dives make him one of the fastest growing names in the game. Seriously, watch one of his videos and you'll be hooked. Wait, didn't we already mention MKBHD? Yes, but hear me out. This guy's influence is so massive that even Elon Musk and Apple executives take his reviews seriously. When MKBHD speaks, the tech world listens. That's why he's the king of YouTube tech. So, who's your favorite tech YouTuber? Are you all about crazy experiments, deep dives, or buttery smooth cinematics? Let me know in the comments. And hey, before you disappear into another late night tech binge, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest in tech.